How to fix my AI something went wrong error on Snapchat. Hello and welcome back to our official help desk. In today's video, you will learn some ways you can fix your problem. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Snapchat app. Here, make sure that you are logged into your specific Snapchat account, then tap onto your Bitmoji on your top left. Tap on Settings on your top right. Scroll below and under Account Actions, tap on Clear Cache. Then tap on Continue. Here, tap on Clear My AI Data. As you do so, it will delete all your past conversation with your AI. Just tap on Confirm. Now go back and see if it fixes your problem. If it still does not fix your problem, head over to your Play Store and search for Snapchat. If you see update sign here, update your app. Now, if it's still not working, all you have to do is reinstall your application after uninstalling it first. So long tap onto it and tap onto Uninstall. Tap on OK, then restart your device and this will fix your problem. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.